My name is Brittany Hernandez. I am from Greenville, Tennessee, stationed in Norfolk, Virginia. I am currently in the U.S. Navy. I am an aviation ordnanceman. Been in for 7 years, going on 8, and I'm about to sign up for 5 more. That will bring me to 13 years in the Navy. As soon as I heard my name, I jumped off the couch. I started screaming. My dog went crazy. It was such an exciting moment. And then, he called me. He was with his son at a soccer game, and they were all excited over FaceTime. It was just great. Yeah.
Brittany.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. How was your week here in Wisconsin?
It was very cold.
Very cold.
Very
You kind of got to experience every season we've got here while you're here, so I suppose I won't hold you up too long. You're here to see your truck.
I am.
So why don't we, we'll grab everybody and we'll head to the back and see what we did.
Okay.
Let's open it up.
Oh my God.
So
yes.
your 17 F-150 looks a little bit different than it did when you dropped it off. As you know, you got the 6-inch BDS kit, went with the Fox shocks in the rear, and then the 22x12 Axe compression forged wheels. We know you picked out some 37s. Those weren't quite gonna fit, so we swapped some 35s on you, the Toyo RTs.
Oh God.
And then Black Label Lighting supplied the rock lights, which I had a feeling you'd like orange, so that's what we set them to. So, look around.
Wow.
Let me know what you think.
Oh, it's so gorgeous.
Amazing ride. Sticks out a little bit, so it looks, nice and aggressive being the 12 wides.
I'm happy about that. It's gorgeous. Thank you.
Good. All right. Then those are yours.
Sweet, thank you. Well, I have a gift for all of you for doing this. So I'll give this to you.
Okay.
This is a Navy paddle. It's something that we give for major accomplishments and, to have, send with a sailor for good luck on their endeavors. So.
You want to read?
2 custom offsets. Thank you for all that you do for our uniformed men and women of the military and our first responders. I am truly honored to receive this dream build on behalf of all of us. Sincerely, me.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Get that out of there.